Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Flow channel, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Emily.
Hello, everyone. I'm Henry. How are you today, Emily?
I am very good today, thank you. I went for a walk this morning. It was lovely. And you, Henry?
I am okay. A little tired. I tried to speak English in a conversation yesterday, and I felt very slow, very unnatural.
Oh, Henry, what happened?
I knew the words, but when I tried to speak, my mouth was slow. My brain was thinking, but my mouth was not moving fast enough.
Ah, I understand exactly. Your brain knows English, but your mouth does not yet.
Yes, exactly. My mouth does not know English yet.
And that, Henry, is exactly what today's lesson is about.
It is?
Yes! Today we have a very special challenge for you. A 3-day English speaking challenge, using one of the most powerful techniques in the world.
A challenge? What kind of challenge?
It is called shadowing, and it will train your mouth, not just your brain, to speak English naturally and fluently.
Shadowing? That sounds exciting. Tell me more.
I will. But first,
We have a small request. If you like our podcast, please click the like button
and please subscribe to Mr. English Flow.
and share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you so much. It helps us a lot. We love our listeners.
Okay, now, tell me about shadowing, Emily.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Henry. Let me ask you something first.
Sure.
When you learned to ride a bicycle, did you read a book about it first?
No, of course not. I just got on and tried.
And did you fall?
Many times, yes.
But you kept trying, and slowly your body learned, right?
Yes, my body just knew after a while.
Exactly. Speaking English is the same. Your mouth needs to learn, not just your brain.
My mouth needs practice.
Yes, and shadowing is the best practice for your mouth.
So, what is shadowing exactly?
Shadowing means you listen to someone speak English and you speak at exactly the same time. Not after, not before, at the same moment.
At the same moment? That sounds very difficult.
It sounds difficult, but it is not impossible. Let me show you.
Okay.
I will say a sentence, and you say it with me at the same time. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Yes, that is shadowing.
Oh, that was actually not so bad.
See? Not impossible.
But why is it so useful?
Because when you shadow, you copy everything. The speed, the rhythm, the music of English, not just the words.
The music of English. I like that.
English has a music, a beat, a melody. And when you shadow, your mouth learns that music, physically.
Like learning a song.
Exactly like learning a song. You do not just read the words, you sing them, again and again, until they feel natural.
And shadowing does the same thing for speaking.
Exactly. Shadowing trains your mouth, your tongue, your lips, until English feels natural, not difficult.
That is really interesting, Emily.
And the best part? You do not need a teacher. You do not need a language partner. You just need your voice and something to listen to. Like this podcast.
Like this podcast, so our listeners can shadow us.
Exactly. They can practice right now, with us.
I love this idea. Okay, Emily, so how do I shadow correctly?
Good question. There are some important steps. Are you ready?
Ready.
Step 1. Listen first. Before you shadow, listen to the audio once. Just listen. Do not speak yet. Just understand the meaning.
Just listen. Okay.
Step 2. Shadow out loud. When you shadow, you must speak out loud. Not in your head. Your mouth must move. Your voice must make sound.
Out loud, not in my head.
Yes, very important. If you shadow in your head, it does not work. Your mouth needs to practice.
Okay, out loud. Got it.
Step 3. Do not worry about every word. When you shadow, you will miss some words. You will fall behind sometimes. That is okay. Do not stop. Just keep going.
Keep going, even if I miss a word.
Yes, the goal is flow, not perfection. Keep your mouth moving.
Flow, not perfection. I like that.
Step 4. Repeat the same section many times. The first time will feel messy. The second time, a little better. The fifth time, much more natural.
So I shadow the same thing again and again?
Yes, just 30 seconds. Shadow it 5 times, 10 times. Feel it getting easier each time.
Like practicing a piano piece.
Exactly like that. Repetition is the key.
And step 5?
Step 5. Record yourself. After shadowing, record yourself saying the sentences alone, without the audio. Listen back. How does it sound?
Record myself? That is a little scary.
I know, but it is very useful. You hear your own voice. You hear what is natural and what needs more practice.
Okay, I will try, even if it is scary.
Good. And Henry, how much time do you need every day?
1 hour?
No. Much less.
30 minutes?
Less.
Really? How much?
10 minutes. 10 minutes every day is enough.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes every day is much better than 1 hour on Saturday.
Why?
Because your brain learns with repetition. Every day, small steps, every single day. That is how habits form. That is how language grows.
10 minutes every day. I can do that.
Everyone can do that. Even tired people like you, Henry.
Yes, even tired people like me.
Okay, now, the exciting part. The 3-day challenge.
Yes, tell me everything.
We have 3 days of shadowing practice. Each day, 10 to 15 minutes. Each day, a little more challenging than the last.
Okay, what is day 1?
Day 1. Greetings and daily conversation. These are the most common sentences in English. Shadow these until they feel completely natural.
Okay, let's practice. I will shadow with you, and our listeners shadow with us too. Ready, everyone?
Ready? Let's go. Shadow with me. Good morning. How are you doing today?
Shadow that. Say it with Emily. Good morning. How are you doing today?
Again, shadow with me. Good morning. How are you doing today?
Feel the rhythm. Good morning. How are you doing today? The stress on morning, you, day.
Next sentence. Shadow with me. I'm doing really well, thanks. How about you?
Shadow that. I'm doing really well. Thanks. How about you? Notice, I'm doing really well.
Again. I'm doing really well, thanks. How about you?
Beautiful. Next one.
I had such a busy week. I'm really glad the weekend is finally here.
Shadow that. I had such a busy week. I'm really glad the weekend is finally here.
Feel how the voice goes up on busy and glad.
Again, everyone. I had such a busy week. I'm really glad the weekend is finally here.
Wonderful. And one more for day 1. Shadow with me. What do you have planned for today? Anything exciting?
Shadow that. What do you have planned for today? Anything exciting? Notice the voice goes up at the end because it is a question.
Again. What do you have planned for today? Anything exciting?
Emily, I can feel a difference already after just 4 sentences.
That is the power of shadowing, Henry. Now, day 2.
Day 2. What is day 2?
Day 2. Feelings and opinions. This is where you start to sound like a real English speaker. Someone with thoughts and feelings. Shadow with me. Honestly, I feel really excited about this. I've been looking forward to it all week.
Shadow that. Honestly, I feel really excited about this. I've been looking forward to it all week.
Again. Honestly, I feel really excited about this. I've been looking forward to it all week.
Notice the emphasis on really, forward, all. Those are the important words.
Next, shadow with me. I'm not sure how I feel about it actually. It's a bit complicated.
Shadow that. I'm not sure how I feel about it actually. It's a bit complicated.
Again. I'm not sure how I feel about it actually. It's a bit complicated.
The voice drops on complicated, giving it a thoughtful, uncertain feeling.
Next, shadow with me. That really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for saying that.
Shadow that. That really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for saying that.
Feel the warmth and sincerity in that sentence. Again. That really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for saying that.
And one more for day 2.
Shadow with me. I completely understand where you're coming from. I've felt that way too.
Shadow that. I completely understand where you're coming from. I've felt that way too.
Again, everyone. I completely understand where you're coming from. I've felt that way too.
I love these sentences, Emily. They feel so real, so natural.
That is the goal, Henry. Natural English. Not textbook English. Real English.
And day 3?
Day 3, the most exciting day. Telling stories.
Ooh, stories. I love stories.
This is where you become a real English speaker. Someone who can tell stories, share experiences, connect with people. Shadow with me. So this actually happened to me last week, and I still can't believe it.
Shadow that. So this actually happened to me last week, and I still can't believe it. Notice the storytelling energy. The voice builds excitement.
Again. So this actually happened to me last week, and I still can't believe it.
Feel how you know what is coming. Something interesting. Something surprising.
Next, shadow with me. I was walking down the street when I suddenly realized I had forgotten my wallet at home.
Shadow that. I was walking down the street when I suddenly realized I had forgotten my wallet at home.
Again. I was walking down the street when I suddenly realized I had forgotten my wallet at home.
The important words jump out. Walking. Suddenly. Forgotten. Home. Those words carry the story.
Next, shadow with me. So I had to run all the way back, and I was completely out of breath by the time I got there.
Shadow that. So I had to run all the way back, and I was completely out of breath by the time I got there.
Feel the breathless energy. Again. So I had to run all the way back, and I was completely out of breath by the time I got there.
I feel out of breath just saying that.
Good. That means you were doing it right. Last sentence for day 3. Shadow with me. But you know what? It actually turned out to be a really good thing in the end.
Shadow that. But you know what? It actually turned out to be a really good thing in the end.
Again, everyone. But you know what? It actually turned out to be a really good thing in the end.
Shadow that. But you know what? It actually turned out to be a really good thing in the end.
Again, everyone. But you know what? It actually turned out to be a really good thing in the end.
But you know what? I love that phrase. It makes you want to listen more.
Yes, it is a conversation hook. It creates curiosity. It keeps people listening.
Okay, Emily. So let me say the 3 days again. Yes?
Yes, review time.
Day 1, greetings and daily conversation.
Good.
Day 2, feelings and opinions.
Excellent. And how much time each day?
10 to 15 minutes.
And how many times do you shadow each sentence?
5 times? 10 times?
Yes, until it feels easy, until your mouth moves automatically.
Until I do not have to think about it.
Exactly. That is the goal. Automatic English, natural English.
Emily, what if I fall behind when I shadow?
Keep going. Do not stop. Do not go back. Just keep your mouth moving. Flow is more important than perfection.
Flow, not perfection.
Yes. And what if I miss a word?
Skip it and keep going?
Exactly. The brain will fill in the gap. Just keep the rhythm going.
And what about recording myself?
Do it, even if it is scary, even if you do not like the sound of your voice. Record, listen, improve. That is the cycle.
Record, listen, improve. Okay, I will do it.
And one more very important tip, Henry.
What is that?
Be patient with yourself. The first day will feel strange, maybe the second day too. But by the third day, you will feel a difference, I promise.
By the third day.
Yes, your mouth will start to feel more comfortable, more natural. The English will start to flow.
I really want that feeling, Emily. That natural feeling.
You will get it, Henry. Everyone gets it. If they practice. Every day, with patience, and with kindness to themselves.
Kindness to myself. Yes, I will remember that. Okay, let me say the vocabulary we learned today. Yes?
Yes, review time.
Shadowing. You listen to a native speaker, and you speak at exactly the same time. Not after, at the same moment.
Perfect. Next.
Rhythm. The music of English. The beat. The pattern of stressed and unstressed words.
Very good. Next.
Flow. Speaking smoothly and continuously. Not stopping. Not perfect, but natural and connected.
Excellent. Next.
Repetition. Doing something again and again. That is how your mouth learns. That is how language grows.
Perfect. Next.
Automatic. When you do something without thinking. The goal of shadowing. Automatic, natural English.
And one more.
Patience. Being kind to yourself while you learn. Not expecting perfection. Trusting the process.
Beautiful, Henry. You remembered everything.
I have a good teacher.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
That was so helpful, Emily. Thank you.
You are welcome. And thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you all so much.
Please subscribe to Mr. English Flow if you have not already.
And give this episode a like. It helps us so much.
And share it with a friend who wants to speak English more fluently.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, our question for our wonderful listeners.
After trying the 3-day challenge, which sentence felt most natural in your mouth?
Which one did you enjoy saying the most?
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
And remember, 10 minutes every day. Shadow out loud. Keep going. Be patient with yourself.
And your mouth will learn. I promise.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
And start the challenge today, not tomorrow. Today. Bye-bye.